Good afternoon, students. I am gone today because I am presenting at a conference. But while I am gone, you are going to do a fun little project that helps you to become prepared for your quiz tomorrow on Notice and Note Signpost. So at your tables, you are going to get a packet of papers. Right, actually, you're going to get a packet of papers that come with a paper clip, and you're going to see a variety of different colored papers. All right, so in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do this. If you feel like you need the substitute teacher to pause because I'm going too fast, then make sure that you pause the video. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out the pieces. And make sure that you are cutting out the pieces in the order that they are in the packet. Otherwise, things can get really confusing really quickly. So the first thing you want to cut is the front cover. And you may have one pair of scissors or two pairs of scissors at your table. Just make sure that you are sharing, doing what you can, taking turns, whatever you want. Don't fight over the scissors. Anyways, just cut them out, and each person gets their own, right? There's 4 little covers here, so each person gets their own. Right. So maybe I cut it, I pass it off to my partners, whatever. So that's mine. What I'm going to do so that I make sure that I get all my pieces and don't lose any of them is after I cut it, I'm going to just put my initials on the back so that I know that that one's mine. Okay. The next piece of paper is the bright yellow one, and again, notice how there are 4, right? 1 per person at your table. Cut out 1 for each person. Try to do it as neat as you can. I'm kind of rushing through this, so mine aren't as neat as I would like. So now I have 2. Again, I'm going to write my initials on the back of this one so it doesn't get lost or confused. All right, so notice where it says glue here. You're going to take your wonderful glue stick, and again, probably have to share. You're just going to put, a couple layers of glue on top right there. You're going to take your top one, and you're just going to lay it right on top. And make sure it sticks nicely. All right, and so far you have 2 layers. Don't lift it up all the way or it'll fall off. Right. Okay, so then I put that to the side. The next color is bright pink, super bright pink. Again, there are 4. So cut out 1 per person. Maybe I should have put some music on in the background of my video. Oh well. Okay. Again, put glue where it says glue here. Take this little packet you've made and stick it on top. Okay, looks pretty good so far. All right, now I have some music in the background, so we'll see how that goes. All right, so the next thing that you'll need is this light pink. And you'll notice that there are 2 sheets of the light pink because there are only 2 per page. So that means for 2 pieces of paper, you get 4 total. Anyways, you just keep cutting. And you get the whole class period to do this, so don't rush it. I'm just rushing because it is before school on Wednesday, and I gotta get some other things started. I hope the microphone's working, otherwise I'd have to start over. Okay, then glue. Try not to get too much glue on the table. And then put that right on top, just like that. Looking pretty good. right, the next one, purple. Glue, 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 glue. The next one is orange, or this peachy, orangey color, I don't know, salmon. Cut, 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 cut. Glue, glue, glue. Looking so pretty. All right, then green. And if you've noticed, these are the order in which we learn the signposts as well. So that's nice. Glue, 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 glue. Then lastly, blue. It's pretty light blue. Glue, glue, glue. All right, and then I'm done. Right, once I have all these flaps, I am done. Make sure that everything is glued. Make sure the cap goes back on the glue really nice and tight. And then make sure that you're cleaning up your mess, right? All the scraps go in the recycling, not the garbage. If you have any extras of these, put them together and put the paper clip back on them, and we can reuse them in a different class. Right, so this is your little packet so that you can study nonfiction signposts. Once the glue has dried, you should be able to like flip through them. Right, the first side tells you, or the first flap tells you how to use the signpost. This one tells you what nonfiction is. Right, contrast and contradictions, what are you looking for? Keywords, what questions should you ask yourself? And how do the questions help you? Right, so all of these will be really helpful for you as a reader, as a writer, and as someone who has a quiz on signposts tomorrow. Okay? All right, hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed the sound of my voice. Hopefully you clean up. If you finish early and there's still time in class, go ahead and use this time to study, clean up, maybe read, and then hopefully I have like a Kahoot or something for you as well. Okay? Thank you. Have a great afternoon.